personal reading, link in the description. If you want to follow my Instagram, link in the description. Keep in mind that this is a general reading, so do not try to deliberately fit in. If this does not resonate, sometimes it might not be your reading. Like I keep telling people that somebody loves you, but maybe nobody loves you right now, right? So just take the truth with a pinch of salt, and that's that. If you want to have a personal reading, yeah, link in the description, etc. I told. So let's see what's up for Virgos, please. Sometimes I speak bad words. If you're too sensitive, you can just click out. Don't crib in the comments. You guys are going through a tough phase, which I see. Might be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. That's becoming a pain in your ass. Nine of Swords at the bottom of the deck. And Five of Pentacles. Being abandoned by somebody. I think you just had put a lot of trust on someone, and this person is now literally becoming a pain in your butt. You're having sleepless nights over someone, but signs are not important. This is just that you are becoming sleepless over someone because they are causing you a lot of anxiety. I think somebody just left you out in the cold when you trusted them the most. They've abandoned you. Some of you, this person ran away with your money. All right, give me messages for Virgo love life, please. Death card. Surely you've ended a cycle with someone and you're going through a transformation, which is difficult, because transformations are always very difficult. But see how you come out of them. Emperor. Don't worry. I think you've fallen flat on your face. It was a difficult cycle you're going through. It's basically you're rising through the ashes and you're becoming an emperor, which is great. You will be getting back your authority and your power. If you were having some sort of down moment for some time, don't worry. This transition, this transformation that you're having, it's difficult, but you will be coming out victorious. Some of you dealing with a Scorpio or an Aries, okay? I definitely sense that you're moving away from something or someone, or maybe you were just asked to leave and you left, and when you were leaving you thought it's going to be very difficult, but now slowly and gradually you're realizing that this can be worked on. Eight of Pentacles. You're working on yourself, working on your money, working on new projects. Some of you might get to work under someone who's like very senior, very mature, and they will be guiding you really well, okay? So new projects or a new love situation, but this seems like a project or a career thing, more of, okay, rather than love for now. It's like you're trying to divert your attention from love to career because it's hurting, yeah? So transforming your pain into passion. Ten of Swords, yeah? I think you've given up on love because of whatever has happened. Some of you, this happened 10 months back or 10 weeks back. But yeah, I can definitely sense that you were working on very solidly over something and you thought that this is going to be it. You thought this is it. But it did not work in the way you wanted it to. Just a second, I have to reply someone. Just a second, guys. Whew, okay. Yeah, so it's like definitely somebody used you. I think somebody used you for money, somebody used you for physical things. They used you for something, or maybe they just sort of dominated you when you were together. It's like this person was trying to control you over and over again, and then you sort of became a slave to them. You did not know, but energetically you did. The transition that you're having from here is very difficult, okay? I'm already sensing it because we have freaking 2 cards which are very scary, and we have the Devil card here as well. So dealing with the Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, a Scorpio, an Aries, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, okay? Yeah, I mean, somebody just was trying to make you their slave. They were trying to make you dance on their beat, okay? And you did not realize it until this broke. And now you're gaining your power back, and now you'll be like, what the fuck was I in? What was I doing there? This person was exploiting me all the time and I did not even realize. Six of Pentacles. You're definitely getting your balance back, okay? This person was exploiting the hell out of you, but when we are in love, we don't really realize that. Now you're moving away from this person, healing, and now you realize, like, what the fuck was I dealing with? And why? Why was I doing that to myself? What's coming towards Virgo in love, please? Star card. Some of you, there's an Aquarius that's interested in you. Or there could be somebody from the past who wants to come back, because star card can literally mean reconciliation. 7 of Wands and the Knight of Swords. I see that somebody blocked you. A fire sign or an air sign. So Aries, Leo, Sag, or a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. And you manifested this, by the way. So I think somebody blocked you and you were trying to manifest communication with this person or reconciliation. Your wish has been granted. What all were you trying to do? I think you were trying to do a lot of things. Spells or manifestation, visualization, journal, whatever. Yeah, I think somebody was just trying to push you away, but now this person wants to rush in and communicate. So someone who was not ready to communicate now wants to communicate. Queen of Wands. I see that this person thinks they are ready to communicate with you. There could be, if you're a man, then you might be dealing with the Aries, Leo, Sag. We also have King of Wands here. This is very much like a connection where you mirror each other. And hence you guys are not able to break off. You might be dealing with an air, fire sign very strongly. Sorry, the Mercury retrograde is getting me. I definitely see a lot of passion here. This connection is going to start with a lot of passion that was missing in it previously, okay? So somebody again wants to rule you, especially if it's a fire sign. They will be coming back and they will try to dominate you again. You being a Virgo, I understand you're more of practical and etc. But this person is very fiery and passionate and they will try to dominate the connection again with you. They see that you are some sort of mirror to them. So it's like they want to work it out again with you. 2 of Cups. Ooh, guys, love. Somebody definitely wants to be on the same page with you, and they are seeing that you were working on yourself and you were not very much affected by the separation, and that's something which is drawing this person back. You know, most of the people, when they are in breakup, it's not the breakup that hurts. What hurts is that you are hurting and the other person is not, and that's what the running and chasing circle is all about. The runner runs because the chaser chases. If the chaser stops chasing, the runner will stop running, right? So I think this person saw that you were not chasing anymore, and that's one reason that they want to come to you. Tower card. I think it's just this connection just came to an end very suddenly with this person. You never expected that to happen, but then it happened out of nowhere. And I think some sort of truth was also exposed. If it was not, then now it's going to be exposed. Maybe this person was hiding something from you. Now they are going to come back, confess, and they will be telling you things like, I want to work it out with you. What else for Virgo in love? What is the intention? 5 of Pentacles. Yeah, like the cheater thinks that you played them, or this person, whoever you were dealing with, they abandoned you, but now they feel abandoned, right? So that's why they want to work it out with you. The World card. They want to have a new chapter with you. They want to start it again. The Hanged Man. Yeah, so definitely, you know, somebody who was not taking action in the past now wants to take an action because they feel abandoned. Okay, so the game, basically, the player got played here, okay? Or whoever was treating the other person like shit is now being treated like shit, or they feel that they are being treated like shit, and that's hurting their ego. 4 of Cups, 10 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. See? The one who ignored you in the past, who was not paying attention, is now going to come back. So what will be the outcome here though? They also see that you have something, like maybe you have money, you have authority, something about you attracts this person. Queen of Pentacles, yeah? I see you guys working on it together, but just be careful. This person is still coming back with some lies, which are going to be exposed. 7 of Swords, see? So yeah, I was seeing that you were dealing with someone who holds back a lot. They have a lot of things going on. So what they show to you is only the tip of the iceberg. There's a lot going inside, and that's going to be showed to you. You were dealing with someone who, for cross watchers, this can be vice versa. But I definitely see that you were dealing with someone who plays a lot of games, like a lot of games. And the games are going to be exposed. Alright, let's see. Give me a message for Virgo, please. So we have codependency. See, I'm telling you, this person is coming back, but they still have the codependent ways. Maybe, you know, maybe they have become very addicted to you and they can't really survive with you. You know, like they feel that they can't survive with you, and that's why they want to come back. They think that there is a strong magnetic attraction still. They are not over you yet. That's why they want to come back very soon in past life relationship. So very soon a past life relationship is coming back, and they would want to start a new chapter with you. Some of you might get engaged to this person if you are willing, but otherwise I can just see a new chapter starting between both of you if you're willing. And if you're not, then honey, that's your call. Don't tell me in the comments. 7 of Pentacles. Yeah. And I think some of you were trying to manifest this with this person, and it's like the wish is granted. Okay, why were you trying to manifest a cheater is the first question. But anyway, your taste in people, I don't really care, and I don't have much to say. It's your choice, right? Some people, they think that it's okay to be back with a cheater even if they don't change, or maybe whatever. It's like, it's your choice. So yeah, that was the reading. I see somebody coming back for good. Okay, it's like they just want to start a new chapter with you, but they still have some codependent ways, so just be careful. But yeah, the player got played. Yeah, that was the reading. Hope this helps and resonate. If it does, subscribe, like, share, comment. We'll see you very soon in the next video. Till then, you guys take care. Bye.